Hello to everyone, welcome to Brush Up Your English. Today's our topic is from Stanzas from an Elegy written in our country yard. Before starting our topic, I just wanted to tell you something about Thomas Gray. Likewise, the biography of Thomas Gray. I have written these all main points of Thomas Gray. The very first point is he was an English poet, letter writer, and professor. He was born on 26 December 1716 at Cornhill, London. Father name is Philip Gray. His mother name is Dorothy Antrobus. He lived his mother after she left his abusive and mentally unwell. Gray's uncle William became his tutor. Gray's mother paid for him to go Eton College. In 1734, Gray went up to Peterhouse, Cambridge. He found the curriculum dull. He left the Cambridge in 1738 without a degree. In 1738, he accomplished his old school friend Walpole on his grand tour of Europe. Gray began to write poems in 1742 on the death of his friend Richard West, which inspired sonnet on the death of Richard West. He was quite inspired with his friend and he was quite close to his friend, so that's why he has written poems for him. He published only 13 poems on his lifetimes. In 1747, he wrote Ode on the Death of a Favorite Cat. In 1750, he wrote Elegy, written in a country churchyard, which is we are about to study after this biography. In 1754, he wrote a Pindoic Ode to the Progress of Poesy. In 1761, he wrote on the Fatal Sisters. He is poet of 18th century. In 1757, he was even offered the position of poet laureate in 1757 through his decline. Gray came to be known as the graveyard poet because he was quite close to the graveyard. He always sits in graveyard and write poetries. Gray wrote ideas about death or morality, and he was died on 30 July 1771 in Cambridge, England. He was buried in the churchyard at Kills Church. He is known for his elegy written in a country churchyard. Thank you for listening this biography from the poem Stanza from an Elegy written in a country churchyard. Next we will go through the poem An Elegy written in a country churchyard. Thank you so much.